Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use blocks in Rhino. Blocks are incredibly powerful tools for managing complex designs. They allow you to group multiple objects into a single, reusable unit. This not only helps reduce your file size significantly, often by many megabytes, but also dramatically improves your model's performance, especially with hundreds or thousands of repeated elements. Plus, editing one block instance instantly updates all others, saving you a tremendous amount of time. To create a block, first select all the objects you wish to include. Then, simply type block into the command line and hit enter. Rhino will prompt you to define a base point. This is crucial as it's the insertion point for all future instances. Choose a logical point like a corner or the center. Finally, give your block a clear, descriptive name in the dialog box that appears. This makes it easy to find later. Once created, you can insert blocks using the insert command, placing them exactly where needed. The real power comes with editing. Select any block instance and type block edit to enter a special editing mode. Any changes you make here, like moving a line or adding a new surface, will instantly update across all instances of that block throughout your entire model. If you need to break a block apart, simply use the explode command. The Block Manager, accessible via the Block Manager command, provides a comprehensive list of all blocks in your file, along with their properties. For advanced organization, you can even nest blocks within other blocks, creating complex hierarchical assemblies. A good rule of thumb is to use blocks for any component repeated more than 2 or 3 times. Remember to regularly purge unused block definitions to keep your file size optimized and your project clean.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.